Please allow me a little more time, sir, because very important issue. I may take little more time, please.
बोलिए, शुरू तो कीजिए.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for allowing me in this 0 hour. Sir, with a heavy heart, I must say that people of Lakshadweep are put into a panic situation by releasing certain draft notification which are anti-social, anti-people, and anti-environment also, sir. I was very happy in the last previous 5 years, I must admit that, sir, that whatever the welfare schemes, the measures which was taken in Lakshadweep, which was pro-people and it was widely accepted by the people of Lakshadweep. Now, suddenly what happened, I don't know what arithmetic has gone wrong, that Lakshadweep administration has come out with a bundle of draft notification which are totally anti-social, anti-people, and it is highly unjustifiable things which is happening. I'll rightly, for your instance, I'll mention one first point, sir. Sir, in the month of January 28, 2021, a draft notification was released by the UTL administration that the draft was saying that prevention of anti-social activity, which are in Gunda Act in Lakshadweep. Sir, Lakshadweep, you know, the National Crime Bureau record of MHA, published by MHA in 2019, which says that murder 0 case, kidnapping 0 case, riot 0 case, any other offences between two enmity, which is 0 case, sir. In such an area, what is the arithmetical, wisdom that the UTL administration was forced to, release a draft notification, which is totally an unwanted area, which is, you know, that UN have certified Lakshadweep is the most peaceful area, sir, in entire country. So, in that place, why such a notification is required? Secondly, sir, the notification which was Panchayat Regulation Act. I am a member to that Panchayat, district Panchayat. Panchayat regulation has been amended without the notification of the Panchayat body there, even without my consultation, any consultation of the local people. Administration have come out with a notification that Panchayat regulation is being done. Third, sir, the Animal Preservation Act. Lakshadweep is a place where it is no beef is eaten, sir. It is the non-veg people eating there. Even the transportation of the animals are also put in a punishable offence now. In my house, own house, I am having 3 milking cows, sir. I'm coming, sir. Just 1 minute, I'll complete, because this is the anxiety of the people I'm raising before you, sir. See, the animal preservation under that. See, there are lot many conditions put into it which is affecting directly to the people, sir. Sir, on the development part, we are not at all against the development. Sir, the total area of Lakshadweep is 32.02 square kilometer. In that, one island will fall around 3 kilometers. In that, the Lakshadweep, sir, I am concluding. In that, Lakshadweep is being asked to face a 15-meter broader road. To construct a 15-meter broader road, we have to demolish the house, the properties of the people. Sir, I'm concluding, sir. I have already, just finally, then the liquor part, sir. Say, an anti-social part, where everybody of all of our aspiration is that we should have a peaceful living in the island. Now, liquor permission, which is prohibitory order, sir. Sir, I'm concluding, sir. I'm concluding. Sir, I'm concluding. Prohibitory order, sir. For prohibitory standing is there in that. Even on the passenger ship, where 90% of the people are traveling on the passenger ship, on that also liquor is going to be served. Sir, I'm concluding that, sir. So, under this situation, why such steepener happened? This is only because of a new administrator who is in charge, have joined the Lakshadweep. Sir, I'm concluding, sir. On this issue, I have already met the Honorable Home Minister. I have met the Prime Minister 2 times. I hope that they will definitely involve in this and step into it. So they will find a solution that will be definitely as helpful for the people of Lakshadweep. Thank you so much, sir.